Largest national mobile operator with more than 128 million subscribers. With traffic in excess of 1.5 billion minutes a day, exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange in India.
Their continued being a part of the Filmfare family and being our sponsors for the successful Filmfare Awards. So thank you, Idea, for its continued support. And I have had my wonderful cover girl and cover boys who are busy checking my SMSs and God knows what. I'd like to thank them for taking time off from their busy schedules. Farhan is busy promoting Shaadi Ki Side Effects. Deepika has a flight to catch in about 2 hours for the, that's what she told me. So thank you both of you for being here. And what can I say? The Filmfare Awards are always a celebration of excellence. The Filmfare Awards is always a time for stock taking, reckoning, and evaluating ourselves, the movie industry, how we have done over the past 1 year. And here are the results, largest life. So all I'd say is my complete appreciation for the subtext Farhan got to his character as Milkha Singh, and the movie, he gave the movie, I mean, besides being a great, well-directed movie, Farhan also got a lot of layers which a lot of actors are not able to bring to their character. I mean, he really sort of epitomized the biopic and gave it its meat, its substance. As for Deepika, 2013 was really her year, and she's become this box office whammy. So more power to you, and congratulations again on your award. That's it from me. May I now ask the lady on the extreme left to say a few words, please?
Good evening, all of you. And at the outset, before I start, I'd like to congratulate Farhan and Deepika on their brilliant performances for last year and winning the coveted Best Actor and Actress Award. As for Idea, we are the third largest pan-India operator with over 130 million subscribers. We've been extremely happy and content with our association with Filmfare. We've been there for about 5 years, and this year, like every other year, it was a great event. Idea is a mass brand, and it reaches out to its 130 million subscribers through various forms of entertainment. And what better institution to associate with than Filmfare, that gives us rich content through our mobile internet and data devices that we reach out to people. So it's a real fit of content, the provider, and ultimate enjoyment for the masses. This year we had great content from the event, right from press conferences to the nominations night to the event and all that was going on. We had a lot of social engagement on our platform. We have a site called Idea Popcorn Street where we put up everything and live tweets, and people knew exactly what was going on. So it was all in all a great evening, and we're really happy to be with you. And that's it from me. So over to now, I guess, Farhan.
Yeah, maybe Deepika first. So she'll leave my phone alone.
I've left your phone. There's too much in there. I'm going to start feeling guilty if I read something. Are you going to? Okay. So thank you, Filmfare. Thank you, Idea. I think awards are always, I think, welcome, and actors always, deep down inside, somewhere you feel a sense of appreciation, and you feel like your hard work has paid off when you win an award. But I think the Filmfare really takes it to another level. I've been winning at Screen and say all the other award functions, but I think the reaction that I got to Filmfare specifically, I think that just goes to show how special it is. I think people message me from all over the world. So thank you for that. And Filmfare has always been very iconic, not just the award itself, but even the magazine. You keep featuring us in them, sometimes good, sometimes bad, but we live with that. But thank you for giving us this opportunity and making 2013 for me even more special than it already was.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Jitesh. Thank you, Filmfare. I think it was a great idea that that Deepika and myself, our work was recognized this year. Very, very thankful. And I do agree with her. I think there is something truly special about winning the Filmfare Award. My theory about it is that there is so much history